This is number 92 from the College Algebra Final Exam Review. It asks us to solve log of 5 plus x minus log of x minus 3 equals log of 5. So I know whenever it says solve and I have equations with logs in them, I have to be careful with the domain. I have to take the log of a positive number, but I'm going to pause on that, come back to it in a second. If you notice, these are all common logs, so they are all log base 10s. So I can rewrite them in the same log. So I have log of 5 plus x minus, so whenever I condense it into the same log, whenever I subtract, that's really dividing. So divided by x minus 3 equals log of 5. Again, these are both common logs, so they're both the same base, so they can cancel out. I'm just left with 5 plus x divided by x minus 3 equals 5. Trying to get x equals, I'm going to multiply both sides by x minus 3 to bring it to the other side and get rid of my fraction, so that way those cancel. I'm left with 5 plus x equals 5 times x minus 3. I'm going to distribute my 5. 5 plus x equals 5x minus 15. And now to combine like terms, I want to bring this x over with the other x. I'm going to subtract x from both sides, that way those cancel. Same thing with my 15. I'm going to add 15 to both sides to combine like terms, that way those cancel. So on the left-hand side, I'm left with 5 plus 15, which is 20, equals 5x minus 1x will give me 4x's. Dividing both sides by 4, we get x equals 5. This is the part to be careful. Now I have to go back and check to make sure it works. So whenever I plug this back in, log of 5 plus x, which is 5, minus log of x, which is 5 minus 3, equals log of 5. I need to make sure that each thing we're taking the log of is positive. So 5 plus 5 is positive, 5 minus 3 is positive, and 5 is positive. So this x equals 5 works. That's my final answer. That's number 92 on the College Algebra Final Exam Review.